name is Shine. Today I'm reacting to Noir's comeback. Obviously I did react to their debut and I was thoroughly impressed, and I was wondering how they're gonna, top that, because, you have a really strong debut, you got to keep that momentum going. So I'm pretty excited for this. So without further ado, this is Noir with Airplane Mode. Here we go. Oosh! He can step on me if he wants to. And I would thank him. Ooh. 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 Oh, this move, man. Oosh. Dude, they went off, dude. What the f- They went off. Also, hi. They can step on my face and I would thank them. But, oh my gosh. This is so good. This was, oh my god. This was so good. I literally, like, the thing that worries me the most when groups have like super like charismatic, kind of debuts like, Noir had, it's just like, are they going to continue with that, or are they going to do a 180? A lot of groups usually do a 180, but I'm glad they stuck with the charismatic kind of concepts. But I think it also goes with like their name too, like what their name or like what their intended image is. So dude, Noir, man, Noir. When I first got into them, like I said, I got into them last year because I was following some of them who were on Produce, and whatnot. Like, I was super excited when they finally debuted. I was just like, yes, now they've come back, I'm just like, yes, this team has so much potential, and I really cannot wait. I'm kind of, like I said, I'm really kind of glad that they stuck with the, you know, charismatic kind of concepts. You know, the ones since they had it since their debut. Although it can be a hindrance if they decide to switch it up one of these days, because, you know, I know a couple of teams that, you know, debuted very charismatically, but then they switched it up really quick. Or like they're like known for like a like really charismatic kind of concepts, because, you know, their debut was really powerful. But then when they switched it up, it was just like a lot of people didn't like it because they're so used to the charismatic kind of concept. So if they're gonna stick with this further on their run, then, you know, that's good. It's gonna be really awesome to see what they can do and whatnot. So I'm really excited for this team, dude. Like I said when I did their debut reaction, man, they surprised me. I've waited a while for their debut, and I'm glad they've debuted now. I get to see them come back. So I'm really excited for this, at least promotion era. Although it's probably done by the time this video is up. I'm super excited. Hopefully they will promote they promote it healthily, or they promote it safely, you know, no injuries, no sickness. Hopefully they took care of themselves, and super excited for this. Another charismatic comeback for Noir, another charismatic, you know, concept for the team. So yeah, all in all, simply put, just like, if they can step my face and I thank them. I can't believe I'm saying that in a video, but I don't care. Really love this concept. I'm kind of glad that they stuck with the charismatic kind of concept, but it's also good to, it would be good to see like something different, because I know for sure they're going to be known as this like really charismatic kind of group. But we all know that they're absolute dorks and cuties off stage. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for this promotion area, but like I said, this is probably up by the time promotions are done, so hopefully they did it safely, and, you know, they are healthy and they took care of themselves. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.